Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Sunday, February 8th, 2026. And if you thought the Trump family drama couldn't get any wilder, think again. A federal judge just authorized U.S. Marshals to hunt down Ivanka Trump. Yes, you heard that right. Ivanka Marie Trump, former White House advisor, is now facing a bench. A warrant has been issued for her arrest, along with a forfeited $500,000 bond and potential new felony charges for evading her 36-month prison sentence. This escalated in just 3 days. Thursday filing, Friday Marshals deployed. Saturday, the family ghosts social media. Let's dive deep
into the documents, the family fractures, and why this feels like a real-life political thriller. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. This story is moving fast, and I'll keep updating as more filings drop. First, quick context so everyone's on the same page. Ivanka, Donald Trump's daughter, Jared Kushner's wife, was convicted late last year on 5 counts: financial fraud and obstruction of justice. It stems from foreign business deals during the Trump presidency, especially a massive $340 million Dubai real estate project. Prosecutors in the Southern District of New York built the case. Subpoenas for records, grand jury indictment on 7 counts, trial, guilty on 5. Sentencing, 36 months at FCO Danbury Federal Prison, self-surrender ordered. She was supposed to show up, but she didn't. The judge, an Obama appointee, which critics are hammering as biased, issued a bench warrant. Then Thursday's emergency filing escalated everything to U.S. Marshals with necessary means authority. That's not a polite request anymore. That's active fugitive pursuit. Key document breakdown number 1, court filing. Let's look at the actual filings. Thursday, February 5th. Page 23 of the main document. Defendant Ivanka Marie Trump failed to present herself at FCY Danbury as ordered by this court, constituting willful noncompliance with lawful judicial mandate. That's legalese for she ghosted prison. Contempt of court right there. But it gets worse on page 47. $18.2 million in wire transfers funneled through a Wyoming LLC, registered 3 days before the original indictment. FinCEN flagged it for suspicious activity, but the account never frozen. Exhibit F, buried on page 89. 31 deleted text messages recovered by prosecutors, sent the night before surrender deadline between Ivanka and a former Secret Service detail number she lost protection post-White House. One stands out. Time-stamped 11:47 p.m. Wednesday. Package ready. Route confirmed. Prosecutors argue this screams flight risk, prepping to disappear. Defense says it's innocent, like moving furniture or personal items. What do you think? Drop it in the comments below. Melania's deposition, the family betrayal angle. Now, the part that's shocking even Trump supporters. Melania Trump. She was subpoenaed as a character witness. Standard in sentencing to argue for leniency. Family members do this all the time. She appeared, read a prepared statement, but when asked directly, Q. Mrs. Trump, in your experience with the defendant, would you characterize her as someone who respects the rule of law? A. I would characterize her as someone who protects her interests. No yes or no. Just that. Follow up on their relationship, stepmom for over 20 years. Professional. Page 51 references a 2024 dinner where Ivanka allegedly talked contingency plans if legal things went bad. Melania's response under oath. I understood it to mean what it sounded like. The judge cited this testimony explicitly in the escalation order. If this was pure political persecution, why wouldn't Melania just say, Ivanka's a good person, respects the law? Instead, Her words gave prosecutors ammo to ramp up the hunt. That's not theater. That's family fracture on federal record. Trump fired back Saturday on Truth Social, called the judge corrupt. Marshals, Biden's Gestapo, claimed Melania's deposition was twisted by sick people. But notice, no denial of the LLC transfers, no explanation for the deleted texts, no update on Ivanka's whereabouts. Meanwhile, Jared Kushner spotted Friday at Teterboro Airport boards private jet to Nassau, Bahamas. No extradition treaty there for financial crimes. Then Saturday, another plane, Montana LLC owned, departs, flight plan sealed. Coincidence or coordination? Judge now probing, aiding and abetting fugitive flight. Emergency hearing. Tuesday. Look, let's be balanced. Trump supporters have valid points. SDNY has targeted the family repeatedly. The judge donated to Dem campaigns. Similar fraud cases often end in fines, not prison. Rod Rosenstein, former Trump deputy AG, even questioned the proportionality. But on the other side, a jury convicted her. She skipped a lawful sentence. That's not politics. That's felony evasion, compounding her troubles daily. Even some Trump-friendly legal experts like Jonathan Turley call failing to subpeer a catastrophic error. The Melania pie,